So we are headed to a petting zoo that our apartment complex is putting on in the midst of preparing for finals. We're super excited.
Hey, they took it. One job.
Oh, so cute.
It's all gone.
Okay.
Chickens on the loose.
He looks petrified.
It's my homie.
Oh god.
Yeah, strawberries, leaves. What's all that? Leaves?
Yeah.
Ah. It just won't grow.
He's so small.
His name is Tank.
His name is... I don't believe his name is Tank.
Why?
Not everything's tiny is named Tank.
That's discrimination, Cody. Size discrimination.
He's like, what is this?
That was amazing.
Worth the $25 that I paid to get in. That one's for you, Cat Mom. That
It was
one's for
also
you.
free. It was free, just like everything that we do. It was wonderful getting to see so many animals and playing with them. Definitely a nice little relief to our stress-filled upcoming weeks of finals. Thank you.